हाय लोगोफोर नोंथांमोनखौ जोंनि गुबुन मोनसे भिडिअ बराय हरग्रोनाय थाबाय एक्चुअली आं बाबुनि स्कुलाव थांनो ओंखारदों बाबुनि स्कुलाव दिनै स्पर्ट्स डे दङ ओमफ्राय बाबुनि स्पर्ट्स डेखौ आं नोंथांमोननो दिन्थिगोन आरोना दिनै होदो बिदिब्ला बाबुनि स्कुलाव लागि आंजों लोगोसे आरोना अट' लाना थांनांगोन आरोना आं दा बारा गोजान नङा 10 मिनिटनि लामा थांनोसै आं थाब थाब सहैनोसै
आङो मोनसेयाव ब्रन्ज मोनदों ओमफ्राय आङो बेस्ट प्रमिसिं एथलीट मोनदों क्योंकि इजों मा जाबाय आङो 800 मिटाराव फार्स्ट मोनदोंमोन ओमफ्राय 1500 मिटाराव सेकेन्ड मोनदोंमोन
Battalion, NCC, St. Xavier's Senior Secondary School, North Second आपके नक्शल के लिए हजरत जय श्रीमान
What began in 1964 as a simple gathering has now become a cherished tradition, marking not only our school's rich history but also its commitment to nurturing well-rounded individuals.
General Vikram Dev Dogra to declare the 68th Annual Inter-House Sports Day open.
I declare the 60th Annual Inter-House Sports Day 2024 open.
It is an honor to invite you, sir, to release the balloons symbolizing the triumphant spirit of St. Xavier as we celebrate the Diamond Jubilee of our annual Inter-House Sports Day 2024.
Of 9th F, who is a second-time national player of 10-meter air rifle shooting sport. The torch is now handed over to Tivisha of class 8th E.
Now we have Catherine Samaira Jain of 8E. With her is Rudransh Vats of class 9th E.
The torch is now handed over to Arav Bajaj of class 11th C.
We can see the band tuning funky with the bagpipes, snares, bass drum and cymbals.
Third officer, Jayati Riwal, has been selected for the DGNCC Commendation Card 2025, assisting confidently showcasing the behavior.
By an ex-Zavarian, to inculcate a scientific temperament.
Sharma and the house is led by Gurmeet Saini and Aaron.
Respecting the regulations and with the desire to participate in it. And I remember the same field, the same kind of march past, the combined drills that we used to do all right here, and it all comes back to me very strongly. It's indeed a great honor for me to be here today, this morning. Sports teach us life lessons. Apart from the fact that we know that sports are good for our body, and only if we have a healthy body do we have a healthy mind, and all the other advantages of physical fitness. But I want to emphasize on the life lessons that you learn on this field. And the most important lesson, which I feel each one of you must take away from here, is the lesson as to how to tackle failure.
And here we go. This is a race of hand-eye coordination and team spirit. There are 2 tasks for the students here. They will balance and go to the tunnel. And now they will be tagging in their partners. And here we go. Let's clap for them. Let's have a huge round of applause for the girls. Tagore House is in the lead.
100 meters race for Class 8 boys. From Baba House, we have Avan Kumar from Class 8A, Mohammad Armad Akhtar from Class 8D. From Gandhi House, Simon Aaron Stephen from Class 8A, Kaplun Sam from Class 8A. From Nehru House, Nilesh Boro from Class 8C, Brian Manu George from Class 8E.
It's been a great day going for Tiny Tots. मंदिर चाहे जितनी भी दूर क्यों ना हो, अगर हिम्मत और साथ हो तो रास्ते खुद बन जाते हैं.
Now we have the result for Class 8 Boys 100 meter race. The third position is bagged by Nilesh Boro 8C. Second position is bagged by Mohammad Arman Akhtar 8D Bhaba House, while the first position goes to Avan of 8A Bhaba House. Next we have Class 9th Boys 100 meters race.
और ये क्या, ये सारे भागते हुए एक फॉर्म में सारे, और ये सबसे आगे, इनके चेहरे देख के तो लगते हैं कि सारे रेडी हैं.
And Jaipur House takes this round. And Gandhi House takes the lead.
Class 8 Boys Best Athlete Avan Rathi 8A Bhaba House. Most Promising Athlete Nilesh Boro 8C Nehru House.
Let's give them a huge round of applause. We have Best Athlete and Most Promising Athlete from Class 8 Girls and Boys. I request Vaishnavi and Ayushi Das to kindly come forward and receive their awards, as well as Avan Rathi and Nilesh Boro to kindly come forward and receive their awards. Best Athlete Avan Rathi from Baba House. Most Promising Athlete Nilesh Boro from 8C Nehru House.
Class 9th Girls Best Athlete Shivanshi Maurya 9F Nehru.
And we just had the first exchange of the battle. And they're gaining ground and closing in on.
This is where speed meets precision and every second counts.
भागो भागो पर ध्यान से, रुकना मत और थोड़ा धीरे से. रेस में सबसे आगे तुम ही जाओगे. बस अपने शूज का ध्यान रखना, नहीं तो गिर जाओगे. We have Best Athlete and Most Promising Athlete from Class 8 Girls and Boys.
The next is the overall runner-up trophy for the cultural event Senior School, and the trophy is backed by Nehru House. I request the house
नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Boards up!
तो लोगोफोर आङो आंनि खारनाय मेडेलखौ मोनदों आङो मोनसेयाव ब्रन्ज मोनदों ओमफ्राय आङो बेस्ट प्रमिसिं एथलीट मोनदों क्योंकि इजों मा जाबाय आङो 800 मिटाराव फार्स्ट मोनदोंमोन ओमफ्राय 1500 मिटाराव सेकेन्ड मोनदोंमोन बेनि थाखायनो बेखौ मोनबाय ओमफ्राय दिन्था जाबाय ओमफ्राय बाखि मेडेला मोनसिगोन दा थांसै न'आव
गाबोन मोनगोन बेयो बेस्ट प्रमिसिं प्लेयार थांसै दा न'आव जोङो नामा लादो बेगा बे जाबाय बाबुनि स्कुलनि जों ओरै उनखिनिफ्राय फैदों मानसिफोरा थांहांजोब्बाय थांसै आरोना लोगोफोरजोंबो